Okay, let's be honest. This says 6 plus, but it's not really for 6 plus. It's for me. It's for me. It's for me. No, don't attack me. So this is a review of the Superior electric water gun, right? And it's the first water gun that I've ever seen that's electric. And it kind of has this cartridge battery that you connect. It includes, this is one thing I don't like, but I guess I understand it. This USB cable is how you charge the battery. It's, what is it, a 500 milliamp hour battery, 3.7 volts. So it's sealed. That's probably why a regular USB won't work. So the only thing is, if you lose that cable, you lose the ability to use it. But let's be honest, it's for me, not for the kids, right? No. Okay, it's for oh, and then you just got to put it back into place. Snaps in, and you can see the water's in there. And so you pull the trigger to shoot. It doesn't really hurt at all, but it does come with a goggles to protect eyes for the kids. But I'm gonna probably use this for work. There's only one. Sorry, baby. And then you pull the trigger to shoot. It's got lighting effects. And then to refill, you put it in here and press forward on the trigger to reload. And it's really unfair. I'm beating these kids. Hey? Oh, it's full. That's when it's full. This is great summer fun. I'm probably going to have to get these two kids their own version of it, but I wanted to test it out. And so far, right out of the box, I haven't charged it, and it's got range. This is going to make summer camping fun. If you like these type of reviews, consider following the channel, because I do reviews like this, and hopefully you got something useful from this.